Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My May again here. Today I'm going to show you how to make dynamite, one of my absolute favorite Filipino snacks. It's spicy, cheesy, and super crispy. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. Let's do this. First, here's what you'll need. 10 long green chili peppers. These are the stars of our dish, bringing that essential heat. 200 grams of ground pork. This adds a savory, meaty flavor that balances the spice. 100 grams of shredded cheese like quick melt or cheddar. The cheese will melt beautifully inside the peppers. 1 small onion chopped up. Onions add a nice sweetness and depth of flavor. 2 cloves of garlic minced. Garlic is a must for that aromatic punch. 10 spring roll wrappers, the ones for lumpia. These will give our dynamite that perfect crispy exterior. Salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying. Okay, let's prep. Cut each chili pepper long ways and take out the seeds so it's not too spicy. This step is crucial to control the heat level. Careful though, these can still be hot. You might want to wear gloves if you're sensitive to spice. Next, put a little oil in a pan and cook the onions and garlic until they smell good. This will be the base of our filling. Add the ground pork and cook until it's brown. Add salt and pepper to taste. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Once it's cooked, put it aside to cool down a bit. You don't want to burn your hands while stuffing the peppers. Time to stuff these. Take a chili pepper and put a spoonful of the cooked pork inside. Make sure to pack it in well. Then, add a good pinch of cheese. The more cheese, the better. Yummy. Get your spring roll wrappers and wrap each chili pepper tight, using a little water to seal the edges. This will keep everything inside while frying. Get your spring roll wrappers and wrap each chili pepper tight, using a little water to seal the edges. We don't want any of the good stuff coming out. Make sure they're sealed well. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. You want enough oil to cover at least half of the peppers. When the oil is hot, carefully put the wrapped chili peppers in. Be cautious, the oil can splatter. Fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. About 2-3 minutes on each side. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn. And that's it. Filipino dynamite. Crispy on the outside, cheesy and meaty on the inside with a little kick. It's the perfect combination. Perfect for a snack or a party. Your friends and family will love these. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Your support means a lot. Leave a comment if you tried making this, or if there are other Filipino dishes you want to see. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time. Enjoy your Filipino dynamite. Please subscribe to my channel, it's Jecht DIY video. See you next time.